G'day guys, it's Simon and Kristal from Pumped On Property, and in today's video we're going to share something that we're quite proud of. Doesn't really have too much to do with property, it actually has something to do with charity and the impacts that we've been able to have as a business and as a family. When we were a little bit younger, like in our late teens, early 20s, we used to go to the Cure Brain Cancer Foundation ball every single year. We've lost a couple of uncles and a grandparent to cancer, so it's something that we're pretty close to, and it's something that we've always been involved with. And with this business, you know, me, Kristal and Ben have always sat down and said, like, we want to be able to give back. Like, we're very fortunate and grateful to live the lives that we lead, and you know, we want to make sure that we can actually give back a little bit. So back in 2021, like 3 years ago now, but it does take some time for these things to come together, we actually partnered up with a company called Charity Water. This is a company that brings clean drinking water to places that don't have that. And it's just wild to think that there's millions and millions, if not billions of people that are living around the world that don't have clean drinking water. Like the tiny little things that we take for granted here in Australia, you know, so scarce and so hard to find elsewhere. So we've partnered up with them, and we just got a bit of an update as to where things are at with the project at this point in time. And I'll read it directly from the founders there, or the team that we've got there at Charity Water. So essentially the program began back in January of 2021. Now the partners have been preparing and getting everything organized. As you would imagine, there's a lot of work, there's a lot of construction that goes into making these, and you know, there's still another couple of years to go at least to complete this project. But this is going to bring some water. It's water for the people, and it's in the country of Rwanda in Africa. If you have never seen the movie Hotel Rwanda and you want to know what it was like to live there in just the 90s, go and watch that. It's one of the most hectic movies ever. Hectic. So we've been able to gift this company over $10,000, and what they're going to be doing is they're going to construct dozens of piped water systems with tap stands. And because there's complex bidding and contracting processes, there is some delays, and that's why it's taken a little bit longer than they expected, but they're really hitting the ground running right now. And so once the construction of the pipe system is complete, Water for People will test the water quality and hand the projects over to private operators who are contracted by the district government to provide ongoing maintenance and management. Meanwhile, Water for the People will coordinate training covering topics such as sustainability, sanitation and hygiene, and make sure that this continues to come together. So, you know, it's really beautiful to know that we've been able to have a small impact on a big company, and we'll be able to provide clean drinking water to thousands, if not millions of Rwandans in the future. And, you know, this is just the beginning of a very long-standing relationship with Charity for Water, and we do look forward to bringing more clean water around the world. But it's not the only company that we like to partner up with. Go for it.
Yeah, so another company that we've found is actually a Sunshine Coast-based company called Suncoast Care. I love what we've been able to do with Charity Water, and it's so exciting to see some of that progress. But we also wanted to partner with a local Sunshine Coast-based company. So Simon, Ben and I sat down maybe 2 years ago after we'd made these contributions and had a look around at some charities that are here based in our local community, and came up with Suncoast Care. Basically, they assist in meeting the needs of our local community. They do that through low-cost food outlets, soup kitchen, emergency relief programs, school pantry programs, and donations to local community organisations. So we're really aligned with what they're doing for some of the less privileged people, less privileged families within the Sunshine Coast community. And since June last year, I believe, we were able to donate so far this financial year $70,000 to Suncoast Christian Care as of the latest update.
Which has fed like hundreds and hundreds of families. Yeah. I believe that we were able to provide over 500 families with Christmas presents this year as well. These are families that can't afford to give their kids Christmas presents at Christmas. And once again, those things that so many privileged people take for granted, you know, so many people find that to be such a luxury. And, you know, they're an amazing company, and this is just the very beginning of our, you know, charity donations. There's obviously going to be a long-standing relationship with Suncoast Care and Charity Water, and, you know, we have a goal where over the next 10 years we want to be giving over $1 million to charity to start giving back and start helping less fortunate people find a little bit more success. And, you know, all of us have our own little individual things that we like to do as well. You know, for me personally, back in February, I partnered up with Surf February, which is the Chris O'Brien Lifehouse Foundation. They raise money for cancer research. So this is more of a volunteer program, more doing actions and fundraising. So I surfed every single day in the month of February. I was so sore by the end of it. It was actually pretty challenging, but I managed to raise over $1,000 for the company myself, which I was really, really proud of, and it's something that I want to continue doing. I did it back in 2023. I've done it in 2024, and I want to continue doing it moving forward. Another one that I'm partnering up with as well is Disability Surfers Australia. So this is where you bring disabled people down to the beach, you teach them how to surf, you get them out into the water, and the smiles and the high fives and the laughs and the good times that you get to have, it's really humbling and such a special experience. And I'm really grateful that I'm at a position in my life where I have the time and the resources to be able to do these things.
Yeah, I love it. I feel like it's the foundation of sort of a more fulfilled life comes from giving more than you're receiving. And we are in such a fortunate position that, whether it's time, whether it's money, whatever it looks like for where you are at your stage of life, there's always ways that you can contribute to other people to help them get a slightly better life and share with them sort of the fortune that you have. And I feel really, really privileged to be in a position that we can do this as a business and make such big contributions, but do things personally. I'm really aligned with this sort of women's refuge on the Sunshine Coast. I donate to them every couple of months. They do clothes and things that my kids have grown out of and stuff that they're no longer using, but also funds to help home women that are escaping domestic violence. Obviously, for where I'm at, that I'm a big talker about my family, my kids, and it's absolutely horrible to me that there aren't kids out there that can be raised in a safe environment. So that's something that's really aligned with me and my goals and my passions, and just making sure that there are kids out there that have that safety and security through these organizations.
And it's cool that we get to do this early on in the journey. Like both of us are only at the stage where we're at financial peace, definitely not financially independent or free. So it's cool to do that. And it's like all of the clients that we work with, like one of the questions that we ask during strategy sessions is, where do you want to be in the future? Where do you want to be longer term? And most people, I would say the vast majority of the clients that we work with and attract is they want to give back as well. So they're working their ass off to be able to set themselves up and have more freedom and choice in the future, and absolutely set their individual family up, but also to do things like this, help other less privileged, less fortunate families that, are just stuck in a really tough situation. And, if we can all get to that point where, we've got enough for ourselves that you are willing to get back. And, for both you and me, like we've really drawn a line in the sand with where we want to be in the future, because I've seen so many that just continue to push the envelope and want more and more and more. But it's like, you don't need more to have a happy life. Like figure out what you need and, work towards doing that. And anything on top of that, give it away, because it's there's so many people out there that are just not living very well right now, and the smallest little donations, the smallest bit of time, it can have such a meaningful impact. So we hope that you guys align with these types of values and this type of lifestyle, and we hope that you're doing the same things. Throw it in the comments below if there's some other charities out there that are doing amazing work and we should follow and we should promote. But otherwise, thanks so much for listening to this one. It's a little bit different to the property side of things, but this is something that we're really passionate about and want to make sure that we share on our platform. So thanks so much for listening to this one.
Woo! That's a wrap.
That's a wrap.
Getting
Have a
cool,
swim.
bro. Yeah.
Oh, sweaty. So sweaty.
Good. That.
So nice, eh?
Oh.